When you say I'm competing in the Bookslam, people think, wow, you're fast at reading or something like that, or are you slamming books? No, you're performing.
Welshmen assemble! Gwenllian!
We've heard about Bookslam for a couple of years, and it's not something as a school we've felt able to do due to us being a small school and very few members of staff. But we had a new member of staff joined us who shares my love of literature, so together we managed to create this real buzz with the children and got them excited about doing it, really.
Because he was melting in her bedroom.
Well, we found out about it via our challenge advisor in school. She got in touch with the school and asked us if we'd like to take part in something that was quite exciting.
This is my first experience of the Bookslam competition, and even though I'm an avid reader myself, I wasn't sure if I could inspire the children, but it's something that they've really enjoyed, and I must say I've enjoyed it too.
The list that we were given for books is perhaps includes some titles that we wouldn't have thought to give them ourselves. It's something a bit different. I know I've read a new book every year since doing this, and what's really nice is that they're all Welsh links or Welsh authors, or the stories are linked to Wales, and I think that gets their interest as well, because it's lovely for them to be able to read about where they're from.
This competition has really focused on, I suppose, the sorts of reading the children may not have chosen by themselves. You know, secret tales from Wales, they might not have gone to that. They'd go for your Jacqueline Wilson or your sort of obvious early teen choices.
Oes, Heather!
This has given them another avenue, really, to explore.
We urge you to read this wonderful book.
We've sort of targeted our better children. We've looked at our math readers, the children that perhaps need that extra challenge in English, and we've used those children because I think it gives them something in addition to what we're doing in lessons.
Obviously, from a teacher's point of view, this whole experience has been amazing. It's something that we've done with the whole class, and through enjoyment, through something that these girls in particular have enjoyed doing, I've been able in the background to be assessing, to be monitoring without them thinking that they're in a test situation. Really beneficial from a teacher's point of view, and something that I would definitely do again.
The moderation process that we have to go through in Year 6, we use the work that they do from this to help us with that, particularly the discussion group. It's good to record and use as evidence for levels.
As you can see in the picture,
I would give it 8 because it had so many messages. I disagree with Neha because I wouldn't take the stone.
With the new curriculum with Donaldson, real life experiences and actually looking at expressional arts, the performance, the drama. It ticks a lot of boxes.
Quickly, get back! There's nothing you can do for him now.
But more than that, the enjoyment and the experience the children have.
The best thing about doing Bookslam is that it's an incredible new experience, as we haven't done it before, and it's something that I will look back in the future and say, oh yeah, I did that and it was awesome.
The best thing about Bookslam was being able to watch everyone else acting, I think. It was so much fun being able to see their takes on different books, and especially on the book that we'd been doing as well. The feeling when you go onto the stage, I love acting, I love presenting, and I'm really passionate about reading, so they're the main 3 things. And it's like opening new doors to things I already love, so it was an amazing experience.
They have been given extra opportunities to think out of the box, not so much as what they're doing in the classroom. They're taking the English out of the classroom now, and they're just getting that much more out of it.
Oracy is often a tricky one to develop in class. I think there's a feeling amongst even experienced teachers, it'll sort of come because they're talking all the time, because we're modelling good language in our classrooms. But this has really given us a good opportunity to focus solely on oracy.
Yes, good point. Right, so you talk about the snowman and the island and the train.
Well, my favourite part about Bookslam was actually being able to be part of it. because I really would love to be part of this experience again.
Bookslam's also opened a lot of different doors for me to be able to read different books and look at different genres rather than what I normally would read.
I just enjoyed all the times that we could sit together, all four of us, and talk about the book. It's just talking, and I really enjoy talking.
It's been very exciting. There's been a nice buzz around the class and around the school because of it.
We challenge children in the classroom, but obviously we give them activities and opportunities outside of school as well, and the Bookslam is perfect for that.
For me now, it's a no-brainer. We will be doing this every year.
I like reading, but I don't like reading thick books like the one that we had read for the discussion. I like to read books quite thin, but still with good language and exciting.